ladies and gentlemen, this is your man, Paul Lamar Hunter, and what does my hat says is child support law. Ooh, wait, but my sign says child support is not law. So, child support is not law. But let me get started today because I want to talk about child support because child support has been under investigation by DOJ. But I must give you the history of child support. It started in 1975. Yes, it did. And the president of that time, his name was Gerald Ford Jr. He was the president in 1975. The Speaker of the House at that particular time was a Democrat named Carl Albert. You can go look it up. Senate Majority Leader at that time was Nelson Rockefeller. Go look him up as well. And I'm telling you, if those three men were alive today, it would be over for them because the truth has come out how these three men in the House and the Senate came together to put a plan in action to break up families. And when I'm talking about breaking up families, I'm talking about black family, white family, Hispanic family, anybody that had a family. Their mission was to destroy families just to gain money, money. But guess what? It was guys like me, women, that came together and we put our own action plan together. And we took our cases to the United States Supreme Court. And it made noise, baby, because you thought you had everything secure, that you're going to need a lawyer to write the complaint. Well, I tell you what, we got smart and we got educated and we wrote that complaint ourselves. How you like that? You don't like that. But let me get started because it was in the news about DOJ. The Washington Post just revealed that DOJ has access to the child support database. The House of Child Support will burn down. And ladies and gentlemen, when DOJ completes its investigation, they're going to come back and tell the American people that child support is a federal program. Did you hear what I just said? That child support is a federal program. Ooh-wee. When DOJ come back, they're going to say judges, lawyers, prosecutors that work for child support was paid incentives and bonuses to find the male or the female guilty in their kangaroo courtroom. When DOJ come back, they're going to come back and tell the American people that child support is not law, that child support is fraud, that child support is voluntary. Look it up, 45 CFR 303.5G, and you will see that child support is voluntary. When DOJ come back, they're going to find out that child support is not for men or for women. Do you hear what I said? It's not for men or women. When DOJ come back, they're going to come back and say child support broke federal laws by not allowing the American people due process. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to go read that article in the Washington Post and read the case law. Blessing versus Freestone. Five white women in 1997 took child support to court. And do you know what? Child support had to come and tell on each other. They told that child support was never created to benefit the child or the mother. Isn't that interesting? Read that article. Also read the article, U.S. versus Stage. That's a very, very good read. But ladies and gentlemen, I close with this. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Oh, it's no excuse. So learn to read and learn to ask questions. Thank you and God bless you.